Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
The Lightroom catalog stores previews and a database of your photos. It does not move or duplicate original files unless you tell it. Use the library module to browse and manage the catalog quickly. Search and filter work inside the catalog without moving original files. You can find images by keywords, file names, metadata, and star ratings. Catalogs also record edits as instructions rather than rewriting pixels. Back up the catalog regularly and note file path and size for safe recovery. Type file names, keywords, or camera models into the search bar at the top. Choose the text filter to search titles, captions, and file names. Use the attribute filter to find by star rating, color label, and flag status. Open the metadata filter to select camera model, lens, ISO, and date. Combine filters for precise results and press the Active Filter button to clear them. Save complex queries as smart collections for repeated use and faster workflows. Locate missing files by clicking the exclamation mark on thumbnails to update the folder path. If folders moved, point Lightroom to the new drive location to relink files quickly. Import preview-only catalogs or open alternate catalogs using Lightroom Classic's Catalog Manager. When searching, enable Include subfolders to broaden results across nested folders. Restore backups from the Catalog Backups folder if the catalog becomes corrupted. After restoring, open the
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.